Morning, students. Next heading, Ball's scheme and reaction. So here also benzene diazonium chloride only reacted, but it is reacted with fluoroboric acid, that is HbF4. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed, remaining groups are combined means you will get CCH5N2BF4. On heating, this N2 is removed, and from this BF4 BF3 is removed, remaining one fluorine is attached with the CCH5 means you will get CCH5 bond F, that is called as fluorobenzene. So when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with fluoroboric acid, benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is precipitated, which on heating it decomposes to give fluorobenzene. Next one, replacement by hydroxyl group. Benzene diazonium chloride solution is added slowly to the large volume of boiling water to get phenol, that is CCH5N2Cl. It is reacted with the H bond OH. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed, N2 is removed, remaining the CCH5 take this OH means you will get phenol. Replacement by nitro group. Benzene diazonium chloride react with fluoroboric acid. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed, remaining groups are combined means CCH5N2BF4. This is called as diazonium fluoroborate, benzene diazonium fluoroborate. It is reacted with aqueous nitrite solution, that is NaNO2, sodium nitrite, in presence of copper, Cu. On heating, this Na take this BF4 means NaBF4 is removed. This N2 group is removed means remaining groups are combined means CCH5 take this NO2 means that is called as nitrobenzene. Next one, Gomberg reaction, that is replacement by aryl group. Benzene diazonium chloride react with benzene. In benzene, this carbon contains one hydrogen. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed. This N2 group is removed. Both phenyl groups are combined means you will get biphenyl. So benzene diazonium chloride react with benzene in presence of sodium hydroxide to give biphenyl. This reaction is known as Gomberg reaction. Next one, replacement by carboxyl group. When benzene diazonium fluoroborate is heated with acetic acid, means benzoic acid is obtained. This reaction is used to convert aliphatic carboxylic acid into aromatic carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid into aromatic carboxylic acid. C6H5N2BF4 react with CH3COOH. From this BF4, BF3 is removed, N2 group is removed, that is not given here. N2 group is removed. From this BF4, BF3 group is removed. Remaining one fluorine, take the CH3 means CH3F is removed. N2 group is removed. Remaining groups are combined means you will get CCH5COOH, that is called as benzoic acids. Reactions involving retention of diazo group, reduction to hydrazine. This is benzene diazonium chloride. It is reduced by reducing agent like tin chloride with HCl or zinc dust with acetic acids or sodium hydrosulfite or sodium sulfite. You can use any one of these reducing agent, means this benzene diazonium chloride is reduced into phenyl hydrazine. Hydrazine means NH2, NH2. In NH2, one hydrogen is replaced by phenyl means that is called as phenyl hydrazine. Coupling reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride react with electron rich aromatic compounds like phenol, aniline to form bright colored azo compounds, orange red dye and yellow dye. Coupling means usually combining. Coupling generally occurs at para position only. See here, benzene diazonium chloride react with the phenol. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed. Remaining groups are combined means CCH5 N double bond N benzene OH. This is called as para-hydroxyazobenzene. Para-hydroxyazobenzene because both are attached with the opposite position. So para-hydroxyazobenzene. Both substituent are present in opposite position means that is called as para. So para-hydroxyazobenzene. This is called as orange dye. The color of this compound is orange dye. And the second reaction is benzene diazonium chloride react with aniline. Aniline means CCH5NH2. This hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed. Remaining groups are combined means you will get benzene N double bond N benzene NH2. That is called as para-aminoazobenzene. Because this is called as amino. This amino group is attached with the para portion. Because both are in opposite. So para-aminoazobenzene. The color of this compound is yellow dye. Third reaction, benzene diazonium chloride react with the para-cresol. Cresol means benzene contains one OH means that is called as phenol. Toluene contains one OH means that is called as cresol. Toluene means benzene is attached with the CH3. So here benzene diazonium chloride react with the para-cresol because both are in opposite position. So here in these two reactions, this coupling takes place at the para position only. But here in this compound, already para position is occupied. If para position is occupied means, then coupling occurs at the ortho position. So only if para position is occupied means coupling reaction takes place at the ortho position. Ortho means adjacent position. So here also one hydrogen is there. This carbon is also contains one hydrogen. That hydrogen take the Cl means HCl is removed. Remaining groups are attached with this carbon means N double bond N CCH5. The name of this compound is 2-phenylazo-4-methyl phenol. This is phenol. Benzene is attached to OH means phenol. This is called as methyl phenol. Methyl phenol. With methyl phenol, this phenyl azo group is there. It is attached with the second carbon. This is attaching first carbon. This is second carbon. So 2-phenylazo-4-methyl phenol. Aryl fluorides and iodides cannot be prepared by direct halogenation. And the cyano group cannot be introduced by the nucleophilic substitutions of chlorine in chlorobenzene. For introducing such a halide group, cyano group, OH, NO2 group, benzene diazonium chloride is a very good intermediate diazo compound. So diazo compounds obtained from the coupling reactions of diazonium salts are colored and are used as a dyes. Overall conclusion is given in this paragraph. Fluorides, aryl fluoride and iodide cannot be prepared by direct halogenation. And then cyano group cannot be introduced by the nucleophilic substitutions of chlorine in chlorobenzene. For that reactions, benzene diazonium chloride is used. For introducing such a halide group or cyano group or OH group or NO2 group, benzene diazonium chloride is a very good intermediate. So diazo compounds obtained from coupling reactions of diazonium salts are colored. Diazo compounds are obtained from coupling reactions of diazonium salt. So these are salts are colored and these are used as a dye. These salts are colored and it is used as a dye. With this topic, this lesson is over. We will continue in our next lesson. Thank you.